Welcome to our GotTrouble.org Home Foreclosure Law section. Going through financial trouble is difficult enough, but having your home lender threaten foreclosure is one of the most stressful and confusing legal actions a person or family will ever face. Every year, tens of thousands of Americans risk losing their home to foreclosure due to unexpected financial hardship caused by unexpected events such as a job loss or being overwhelmed by medical bills due to an illness or debilitating accident. When life seems to be falling to pieces, reach out to GotTrouble.org, a one-stop consumer resource that helps guide people through the complexity and emotional pain of legal and financial trouble. They offer free content-rich articles and valuable links to helpful legal and financial services. In the GotTrouble.org Financial Hardship and Foreclosure sections, you'll learn about different types of foreclosure procedures and some of the legal options homeowners can take to avoid or forestall home foreclosure, including the option of filing for bankruptcy protection. In this video, we summarize the initial phases of home foreclosure, your legal rights, and how you might be able to negotiate a mortgage modification and a reasonable repayment plan with your home lender. Home foreclosure. Let's first come to a basic understanding of the home foreclosure process. Should a homeowner fail to make their required monthly mortgage payments, the mortgage holder, usually a bank, has the right to commence a legal action against the homeowner and commence formal foreclosure proceedings. If the bank prevails, it will take title to your home, which will usually result in your home being sold at auction. Get immediate legal advice. It's critical that you seek legal and financial advice before the bank initiates foreclosure proceedings. If you have a good faith belief that you will be unable to make your upcoming mortgage payments, your best course of action is to immediately seek the advice of an experienced lawyer. Depending on your financial condition and the facts of your case, a skilled foreclosure defense lawyer may be able to help you negotiate an acceptable modification to the payment terms of your loan. You should also know that most lenders, depending on your financial circumstances, would much rather work things out with you than proceed with an expensive and sometimes uncertain foreclosure process, especially if the lender believes you are considering filing for bankruptcy. Let's now look at how most conventional home lenders respond to missed payments and formally notify you of their intentions. Notice of missed payment. In most cases, the lender will begin their mortgage collection process by mailing you a missed payment notice. Should you miss 2 or more mortgage payments, the lender will likely send you a demand letter by certified mail. Demand letter. In a letter, the lender will make a formal legal demand that you bring your account current immediately or face the risk of being in default on your loan. Notice of default. By the 3rd month of non-payment, in most states, the lender will likely send you a formal notice of default. A notice of default is a formal legal declaration filed with a court that states that you are in default of your mortgage agreement. While most lenders use notices of default as the final step before initiating foreclosure proceedings, other lenders use it to bring the borrower to the bargaining table. If, after consulting with a foreclosure defense attorney, it is your intention to negotiate with your lender, it is always better to do it as soon as possible. Lenders will want to know what has happened that has changed your financial situation and whether or not there is a realistic chance of you being able to resume your obligations on the loan. In many cases, a foreclosure defense lawyer can represent you in the negotiation process with your bank. State foreclosure laws. Each state has its own foreclosure laws and procedures. In our state law foreclosure section, you'll find state-specific foreclosure law summaries. You'll find out which states follow judicial versus non-judicial foreclosure process and what this might mean to your case. Let's now turn to our foreclosure, helpful services and resource section. Helpful services and resources. In our foreclosure, helpful services and resource section, you'll find valuable information and links to local foreclosure defense lawyers, relocation services, apartment search sites and moving and storage services, job search, emotional counseling, emergency cash-out lenders, and state and federal assistance programs. For more information on the foreclosure process and our helpful services, visit GotTrouble today. For more insights and guidance, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.